What's your name?
My name is Eστель Peyен.
Eστель Peyен, what do you think about our ecology?
In Kazakhstan or in the planet globally?
Let's in Kazakhstan.
I think that in Kazakhstan, what I don't know a lot Kazakhstan because I only know Almaty, Astana, Taldықорған, Shymkent or Turkestan, but I won't say that I know a lot Kazakhstan. But I think that you and everybody has to make some efforts because we can find some plastic waste in some places, not in a big town, but we can find. And I prefer talking about in general because ecology. I think that the young generation is aware. Today is a proof that you are aware because I have seen so many great projects, good questions about ecology. I think that the question of ecology is a great question for young generations, and this is a hope for the future.
What do you think about ecology in the world?
Ecology in the world, I think that some people just don't care. Sometimes these are words, but not actions on the field. I think that some people, if they have to make some efforts to change their habits, sometimes they don't want to make efforts. They agree on the paper, but when they have to make real and concrete effort, it's not the same. So we have to try to find some keys. We have to motivate, not punishment, but motivation. Motivation is much more important because you don't have to look what is he doing, what is she doing or not. When you motivate people, they do by themselves because they feel they are involved in the solution. You have to motivate people, but you have to find the solution to motivate people. Today we are using sports and motivation through sports.
And I have one question, and after that's all. What do you think about our water resources?
About your water resources, I think your water resources in
the world, water resources.
In the world, the water resources in the world is in great danger, and we don't want a war because of water resources. Because according to me, the country which will be the most powerful will be the country which will have the best governance management of this resource. So water is in danger, and we have to raise awareness about water.
Thank you, that's all. Thank you very much.